And I'm not gonna say that I'm a terrible fisherman, so look what we brought out. New York strip steaks that I marinated in Blackstone's loaded Italian sear and serve sauce. Let's give it a try. We're in the Blackstone Adventure Ready van and we're getting ready to do some
ice fishing.
Ice fishing. .17-inch Blackstone is heating up nicely, and before I left the house, you know, I'm not going to say that I'm a terrible fisherman, but I anticipated the fact that there was a chance that we wouldn't catch anything. So check this out. We've got New York strip steaks that I marinated in Blackstone's loaded Italian sear and serve sauce. So these are going to be Italian style steaks, and of course Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning, a little extra something something on those steaks. Oh yeah, baby. Secret to making a good steak on the Blackstone: high heat, and have a set of tongs on hand. With the tongs you can move the steaks around like that. You can add extra oil if you want to. I brought a little bit of oil out from the house. A little bit of extra oil there, which always helps the sear. See that? Like so. Okay. I picked up this beautiful garlic at the market the other day. It's marinated in olive oil, spices, balsamic vinaigrette. Look at that. And of course some white mushrooms that I brought from the house. Washed these out and they're ready to go. Down with the mushrooms. Oh yeah, let's dump them all in there, guys. There we go. Woohoo! And a little more of that Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning down on those mushrooms and that garlic. And when the fishing isn't going well, when you're getting skunked, you just fire up your Blackstone Griddle, baby. That's what we're doing here. And let's see what we're working with. Oh, yeah, look at that, baby. That's the sear that you're looking for right there. And of course, you could also go in there and season that second side. I'm a big advocate of seasoning both sides of my steaks. Of course, I know that I'm gonna want a little bit of salt on my mushrooms and garlic for sure. Now I can keep checking those steaks over there. I can see the second side is getting seared up. We're going to leave those like that for a few minutes, and then we'll start to monitor the temperature of these steaks. And as we're past the halfway point here, a little more olive oil. We're nearing the end. This is when I like to add a little bit of spinach, baby. Oh yeah, we're going to serve these up on a bed of spinach. So spinach looking gorgeous. See, the spinach isn't going to take long at all. Just need to get a little bit of a wilt on there. Mushrooms and garlic looking absolutely perfect. And of course, we have to get some of that loaded Italian and pour that down on that spinach right there. Look at that, man. Oh, I certainly hope that's coming across on camera. Spinach looking el perfecto. Garlic, mushrooms looking perfect, and the steaks looking great. Now, a top-level chef would probably never do this, but I am not a top-level chef. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna grab one of these gorgeous New York strip steaks, And I'm gonna cut it in two. Oh baby, that's probably just about the way we want to eat it here. Our family doesn't eat a lot of steaks on the rare side. We like medium. And I would say, after we pull it off and let it set, that's gonna be perfect. So here we go, in with that spinach right there. See that? We'll carve this up family style. Shout out to Blackstone Betty. Carve this up family style here. Pull those beautiful medium steaks off right there. And we'll go in for some of those gorgeous Blackstone mushrooms. Check that out right there. One more little drizzle of the loaded Italian on my steaks. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Italian style steaks. All right, here we are in the ice fishing hut. Temperature's fixing to go down below zero. And if I could take a look at that.
Take a look at that.
All right. Oh, baby. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? I guarantee you, I absolutely guarantee you that nobody is eating this well on Antero Reservoir today.
I love it.
Oh my. The key is the sear, That oil on the outside, the oil from the loaded Italian helped to achieve that with that high temperature. Oh man. Look at this, friends. Look at that. Look at those mushrooms. Look at that spinach. For some reason, I'm absolutely not caring that we didn't catch any fish today. Had a great time here with my sons. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and Jesse and Levi, and we're saying praise the Lord and pass the steak.
I'm just being a nice neighbor.